Are you struggling to make money with your creative work and you are missing out passive income opportunities? This video covers how to boost your income with Freepik Contributor. Freepik is a leading platform for graphic resources with high demand for quality content. It's a great opportunity to reach global audience. To getting started, you sign up as a Freepik Contributor. A Freepik Contributor creates and uploads graphic resources to the Freepik platform. You earn money each time users download your work, gaining passive income and exposure. Benefits include creative freedom, potential earnings, and portfolio visibility. And drawbacks include the need for consistent quality, the platform's commission, and competition with many contributors. So you sign up, you create an account on Freepik, and you prepare your assets and make sure your assets meet Freepik's quality standards, which I will talk about in a second. You log in to access your contributor dashboard and you upload your files. You click on the upload and select your files from your computer. You add details such as the titles, descriptions, and tags. You categorize. You have to wait for Freepik to review your submissions. And once the approval has been done, assets go live on the site. And all you have to do now is to track earnings. You can monitor your downloads and earnings in the dashboard. As to Freepik Guidelines for submission, here's a table summarizing the requirements for Freepik contributors. Accepted content types are vector and photos. Vector includes the ABS file format with the RGB color mode, and photo must be uploaded as a JPEG file format. As for my tips and tricks, I recommend you focus on high quality, unique designs in order to stand out. You can use professional software and tools. If you are short on budget, use this free tool. This Photopea is a free alternative option to adopt Photoshop to refine your images. It works on the browser, meaning you really don't have to install any software. If you go with a premium option, you will pay $5 a month, and it supports PSD, Illustrator files, XD, Figma, Sketch, PDF, RAW, and many other formats. As my tip number 2, stay trendy. Follow current design trends, keep your portfolio updated with fresh content, and use Freepik's trendy searches for inspiration. Tip number 3 is to use relevant and popular keywords to help users find your content easily. And now let's talk about strategies. As my strategy number 1 is to consistency. Upload regularly to keep your portfolio active. Consistency leads to higher ranking. Strategy number 2, diversify your content. Offers a mix of vectors, photos, and PSD files. And strategy number 3, promote your portfolio and publish on your WordPress website. Share your Freepik portfolio on social media. Use your website or blog to drive traffic. And that's it. Boost your income with Freepik by following these steps. Turn your creative work into a lucrative source of passive income. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Subscribe and like the video if you found it helpful. Hit the bell icon to get notified of new uploads.